morning students. Today I am going to teach you addition of 3-digit number of chapter 3 addition, and this is video number 3. So start students, addition of 3-digit numbers. So students, we are already familiar with the concept of addition of 1-digit and 2-digit number. So we have to follow the same method to add 3-digit number also. See students, now I am going to start addition without regrouping. So students, in this section we will learn to add 3-digit numbers without regrouping. So I have given you one example to do. So how you will do students? See, first of all you have to arrange these numbers in the column. So make a column and arrange these numbers. So add 212 and 432. So 212. First of all see ones, tens, 100. Here also ones, tens, 100. So arrange these numbers in the column. 212 and 432. So write here 2 here in ones column, 1 in the tens column and 2 in the 100 columns for 212, and again 432. So 2 in the ones column, 3 in the tens column and 4 in the 100 column. So what we have to do students? Now we have to add these numbers. So add the ones, that is 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 students, 4. Very good. Write 4 under the ones column. Now add the tens, that is 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 students? Yes, 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Now write 4 under the tens column. Now add the hundreds, that is 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is equals to, very good, 6. So write 6 under the hundreds column. Now students, 212 plus 432 is equals to 644. Okay. Now I am giving you one example of addition with regrouping. So students, start addition with regrouping. In this section we will learn to add 3-digit numbers by regrouping ones and tens. So students, I have given you one example to do. Add 458 and 296. See students, what we have to do? Write the numbers in columns. So here 100, tens, ones. Write these numbers. 458. So here we will write 458 and 296. 296. What we have to do? Yes, we have to add these numbers. So add the ones, that is 8 plus 6. So 8 plus 6 is equals to students, 8 plus 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What we will do for the 14 students? See, 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. So what we will do? Yes, regroup 14 ones as 1, 10 and 4 ones. See, 1, 10 and 4 1. 4 ones. So what we have to do students now? Yes, we have to write 4 under the ones column. Okay, and carry over 1 to the tens column. Now add the tens, that is 5, 9 plus 1 carried over. So 5 plus 9 students, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 1 carried over. So here 15 tens. So what we will do here? See, 5 plus 9 plus 1 carried over. So students, add these numbers. 5 plus 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 1 carried over 15. So what we will do? 15. So regroup 15 tens as 105 tens. Okay students, write 5 under tens column and carry over 1 to the 100 column. So now what you will do students? Now add the hundreds, that is 4 plus 2 plus 1 carried over. So here we will write 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So students, what we will do? Now we will write 7 under the 100 column. So students, 458 plus 296 is equals to 754. Now students, I am giving you 2 more examples to do. So do this example students. Add 219 and 584. So again what you have to do? Arrange these numbers in the column. So 219 and 584. What we have to do students now? We have to add these numbers. So 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what we will do? 9 plus 4 is equals to 13. So students, we will again regroup these numbers as tens and ones. So 3 we will write under the ones column and 1 here at the tens column. Carry over 1 here. Now students, come to the tens place. 1 plus 8. So 1 plus 8 is equals to students? Yes, 9. 9 and plus 1 is equals to 10. So students, what we will do here? So here 0, 10, we will regroup these numbers as 0, 10 and 1 as 100. So here we will write 0 under the tens place and 1 carry over at 100 place. So students, again add 2 plus 5 plus 1 carried over. So 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 1, very good, 8. So this we will write at the 100 place. So here we will write 8 under the 100 column. So students, 219 plus 584 is equals to 803. Any problem students? No? Now come to the next example. See, this we have completed. Now we will do this one now. Add 378, 262 and 123. So again Arrange these numbers in the column. See, 378. So write 378 plus 262. 262 plus 123. 123. So what we will do? Again we will start from the ones place. So add 8 plus 2 plus 3. 8 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 8 plus 2, 10. Very good. 10 plus 3, 13. So again we will regroup as 13 as tens and ones. So 3 we will write under ones column and 1 here carry over at tens place. Now students add 7 plus 6 plus 2. So 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 carry over. So here 7 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13 plus 2, 14, 15, 15 plus 1, 16. So here we will write 16 and we will regroup these numbers as students. Yes, 100 and tens or tens and 100. So see, 6 we will write here under the tens column and 1 as a carryover at the 100 column, and now add 3 plus 2 plus 1 and plus 1 carried over. So 3 plus 2, very good. 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So this 7 we will write at the 100 under the 100 column. So students, 378 plus 262 plus 123 is equals to 763. So students, any problem? No? Then students, I am going to give you 2 points to remember. Okay? See, always remember that we cannot place more than 9 ones at the ones place. So we group 10 ones as 110 and take it to the tens place. We cannot place more than 9 tens at the tens place. So we group 10 tens as 100 and take it to the hundreds place. Okay students, so remember these 2 points. And here students, I am going to give you some questions from your book checkpoint. Okay. So students, start. Add the following. So 564 plus 124. So students, what we have to do? We have to add from ones place. So start adding from ones place. 4 plus 4, 8. So what you will write? You will write 8 under the ones place. Ones place or ones column. Here come to the next. 6 plus 2, 8. So write 8 here at the tens column. And after that come to the 100. 5 plus 1 students, 6. So write 6 under the 100 column. Now, so students, 564 plus 124 is equals to 688. Come to the next. 330 plus 573. So students, start adding from the ones place. So 0 plus 3. If you will add any number to 0, the answer will be number itself. So 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. So we will write 3 under the ones place. Ones column or ones place. Here come to the next at the tens place. So 3 plus 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we will write here, students? 3 plus 7, 10 is equals to, see here we will write 0 and here we will write 1. We will regroup 10 as tens and 100. So 3 plus 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and carried over 1 plus 1, 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So students, 330 plus 573 is equals to 903. Now come to the next. So 163 plus 221 plus 450. So students, start adding from ones column, ones place. See, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. So write 9 under ones column. Now come to the tens. See, 6 plus 2 plus 1. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So write 9 under the tens column. And now come to the next 100 place. So see, 1 plus 2 plus 4. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So 799. 163 plus 221 plus 415 is equals to 799. Now students, come to the next. Yes. 269 plus 416 plus 195. So start from ones place. 9 plus 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 5, very good, 20. So what we will write here? Under the ones place, 0. And carry 2 at the tens place. So add 6 plus 1 plus 9 and carried plus 2 carried over. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Plus 2, 18. So 8 we will write under the tens place and 1 carry over here at the 100 place. So 2 plus 4 plus 1. So 2 plus 4 plus 1. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 and 1 carry over. So here 8. So students, 269 plus 416 plus 195 is equals to 880. Now students, some questions I am giving you from your application book to do. So start students. Worksheet number 3.2, question number D. Circle the correct answer. The number of ones in the sum of 38 and 55 is an dash number. Even or odd you have to write. So first of all, sum means you have to add these numbers 38 plus 55. So 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here we will write 3 and carry 1. So 3 plus 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 9. Students, see the number of ones place 3. So is it odd or even? Very good. The number of ones in the sum of 38 and 55 is an odd number. So write odd number. Okay students? Very good. Now come to the next worksheet 3.6, question number C. Richa wanted to fill the numbers in these hexagons. Using a special pattern, she decided that the number in each hexagon will be the sum of two hexagons. Just below it, fill in the missing numbers using the same pattern. So see the pattern, students. See, 50 plus 30. So 50 plus 30 is equals to 0, 0, 0, 5, 3, 8. See, so 50 plus 30 is equals to 80. Now come to the next. 70 plus 30. So 70 plus 30. So 0, 0, 0. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 70 plus 30 is equals to 100. So here 70 plus 30 we will write here 100. Now 80 plus 120. See, 120 plus 80 we will do. See, 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 8, 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So students, 120 plus 80 is equals to 200. Now 100 plus 120. 100 plus 120 is equals to 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So 100 plus 120 is equals to 220. Now students, add 220 plus 200. So 220 plus 200 is equals to 0 plus 0, 0, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So here 420. Okay students, now come to the next question. See, here it is written 14, but here it is blank. So which number we will write here so that we will add to 14 and it will come 22. The answer will be, the sum will be 22. Which number we will give, students? Okay. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So we will write here 8. Okay. So 8 plus 14. See students, here 14 plus 8 is equals to 8 plus 4, 12. 2, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. See, 14 plus 8 is equals to 22. Now come to the next. 9 plus 12. See, right here 12, 9. See, 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11. So right here 1, carry 1, 1, 1, 2. So see, 9 plus 12 is equals to 21. Now come to the next. 22 plus 23. So here we will write 22 plus 23. So 2 plus 3, 5. Very good. 2 plus 2, 4. So 22 plus 23 is equals to 45. Now again 23 plus 21. 23 plus 21 is equals to 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So 21 plus 23 is equals to 44. Again students, 44 plus 45 is equals to 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 4, 8. So 44 plus 45 is equals to 89. So completed students? Very good. So students, today I have taught you addition of 3-digit numbers and some questions from your application book. Now I am giving you homework to do. So note down your homework, students. Worksheet number 3.3, question number A.